Hello student. Now this time we will start the very important and very interesting chapter of physics which is actually based on light. Light is very important for us. Now the student, the name of this chapter we are going to study now the human eye and the colorful world. Now the student, there in this chapter we are going to study in two parts. The first part name is human eye and the other part is colorful world. So eye is a very important for us. With eye we can see the entire the world. So let's start the study about the human eye. This is a human eye. If we take out the human eye inside our body, it's look like a small ball. That's why it is called as an eyeball. And the eye is a spherical shape and the diameter of eye is 2.3 centimeter. Now student, we will study the structure of human eye. This is the inside view of eye. The inside view of eye is like this. There are a lots of things inside the human eye. First of all, we look at this structure. This structure is called as cornea. Cornea is basically a transparent membrane. This membrane protects eyes due to the presence of the cornea, protect our eyes from the dust particle of our eyes. The cornea is a curved shape. This shape is curved shape. And this structure is called as iris. This structure is a muscular structure. This iris is a ring shaped and it is a colored. Different human beings, the color of iris is vary. And in the mid of iris, the hole it is actually pupil. The black structure is called as pupil. Light enters our eyes through the pupil, and this one is the gold structure, ring shape structure is iris, and the black spot is pupil. And in this chapter, the most important thing is this one. This structure is called as lens. Which type of lens? This lens is convex lens. You think that many of lens are made up of glass, but this type of lens is not made up of glass. It is generally made up of jelly-like transparent structure. Or this is a convex lens. And look at this structure. This is a suspensory ligament. There are two types of suspensory ligament. This structure in two in number. These two suspensory ligament are holding the lens at this place. And this structure is called as ciliary muscles. These muscles can press our lens and relax our lens but cannot be stretched. These muscles increase the power of our lens. So the next one is, this one is retina. Retina is a wall-like structure and present it is the back of the eye. It is a very important structure of eye. Again, this is a nerve. This is called as optical nerves. Optical nerves goes to the brain. A point, you can see that a point here on the retina in the front of the optical nerve, it is called as blind spot. So now the students, these are the major parts of eyes. This whole structure is here. It is filled with liquid. The liquid is called as vitreous humor. The liquid is called as vitreous humor. This liquid is transparent liquid. Similarly, in this portion the another liquid are present. It is called as aqueous humor. This liquid is also transparent liquid. So the human structure of eye is completed. So student, if you any doubt, you can ask me, and